Welcome to the Chinese teaching series. This is the unit of Chinese grammar, quantifiers for people and things. Enjoy! This is the lesson outline. I will introduce you the quantifier for referring people, 个, míng, and 位. 个 is also used for referring things in general. 个 is the quantifier usually referring to people in general and things in general. You can see the strokes order of the word 个 showing above. People is 人. One person we say 一个人. Child is 小孩. One child we say 一个小孩. Old man is 老人. An old man we say 一个老人. Bowl is 碗. A bowl we say 一个碗. Bag is 包包. A bag we say 一个包包. Letterbox is 信箱. A letterbox we say 一个信箱. Cup is 杯. A cup we say 一个杯. Quantifier 名 is usually applied when referring people's professional occupation. The strokes order of the word míng is showing above. Teacher is 教师. Teacher we say 一名教师. She is a teacher. 她是一名教师. Doctor is 医生. A doctor we say 一名医生. He is a doctor. 他是一名医生. Nurse is 护士. A nurse we say 一名护士. She is a nurse. 她是一名护士. Lawyer is 律师. A lawyer we say 一名律师. He is a lawyer. 他是一名律师. Police is 警察. A police we say 一名警察. He is a police. 他是一名警察. This quantifier 位 is normally used when addressing people in respect, such as guests or customer. We always heard when going into the restaurant, the waiter always asks 几位 means how many packs, showing respectful address to the customers. The stroke order of the word 位 is showing above.